of fossil fuels is coming to an end. Welcome to the dawn of the solar fuel era. Hi, I'm Carmen, and I'm standing in the middle of Plant Dawn, Synhelion's first industrial plant that turns sunlight into fuel. Join me for a tour of the plant. Here at Plant Dawn, we use our sun-to-liquid process to produce renewable solar fuels. We are doing this to replace fossil fuels and to contribute to a net-zero transportation sector. By the way, we can even produce fuel at night. Let me show you how it works. Dawn features 218 heliostats that follow the sun, reflect its radiation, and concentrate it to the receiver at the top of the tower. Let's go up there. The heart of our technology pulses within this 20-meter-high solar tower. It houses our solar receiver, our thermochemical reactor, and our thermal energy storage. Let's take a look inside. So this is our solar receiver. It converts the concentrated solar radiation into high-temperature process heat, way beyond 1000 degrees Celsius. We then feed part of this process heat into our thermochemical reactor. The heat then drives the chemical processes that turn CO2, water, and biomethane into syngas. So this is our thermal energy storage, where we store the majority of the generated process heat. Thanks to this storage, we can even use solar energy during the night and drive our fuel plant around the clock. Now let's go down one floor. This is our storage and the reactor from the bottom. Quite impressive, right? But I want to show you something back here. Instead of driving our reactor with the heat from the heliostat field, we can also drive it with an electric heater, powered by renewable electricity from a PV field nearby. This is an alternative way to operate the process, which is especially attractive for small and medium-sized systems. Like this, we can scale and create impact even faster. Now let's go back down, where I'll tell you more about what happens with the syngas. Syngas is actually the universal key to produce sustainable liquid fuels. We pipe it down to the bottom of the tower, and here we use industrial technology to liquefy the syngas into synthetic crude oil. The syncrude is then filled into these drums back here. Afterwards, the syncrude undergoes further refining to yield kerosene for planes, diesel for ships, and gasoline for cars. We will use the fuels of Plant Dawn to showcase the huge potential of this technology to defossilize the transportation sector. Dawn marks the start of the solar fuel era. We will keep scaling our production to generate global impact. Let's keep up the momentum and fuel a brighter, cleaner tomorrow.